my people, this is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with your one and only Carol. And today guys, we have an interesting video as always, and today's video is a breakfast video, or we are going to show you a breakfast recipe, something that you can make for breakfast. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy, and wow, it's really yummy. I've made this before, so this will not be the first time that I'm trying it out. And the first time I tried it out, I loved it, and everyone else in my family loved this particular recipe. And today we are going to cook from Claudia's website, Creative in My Kitchen. That's where we are going to get the recipe for today. And guys, have you made pancakes with plantain? Just one, guys, like one whole plantain, one moja. And this plantain is going to give us some pancakes for breakfast. So let's see the rest of the ingredients that we are going to work with today, and I hope you're going to enjoy the video. And welcome. I've already shown you the plantain. Here I have some eggs, and I've put my olive oil inside. On this plate I have some inulin powder, I have some cinnamon, some baking powder, and some salt. I have some vanilla. Over here I have some hemp hearts, or you can also use seeds, and that's it. This particular recipe does not need a lot of things. And of course we are going to have some berry sauce. These are frozen raspberries. These are the ones that I'm going to use to make my sauce. So let's begin the process. So we are going to start by peeling our plantain. So in here we are going to put everything apart from the hemp seeds. So our vanilla, then the baking powder, the cinnamon, and everything inside. Our eggs and the olive oil. Then we are going to blend, and then we will mix the seeds when we finish. So this is ready. I want to pour it in a bowl. So these are my hemp hearts, so I'm going to mix the two. You're not supposed to blend them. That's what the recipe says. And as always, I'll put a link in the description for this exact recipe so that you can go and try it out. You don't have to use inulin powder. You can use any sweetener of your choice. So feel free to modify this recipe. So we mix. This is okay now. So I've already started with my berry sauce. So we are going to let it simmer on low heat for some time as we make our pancakes. So my pan is already hot. So let's start making the pancakes. I'm going to make small sizes so that they can wait. And as you've seen, guys, you don't have to put milk. So here you need a lot of patience. Patience, guys, patience. You don't need to be flipping them anyhow, so we just need some patience. Patience. Then we start flipping them slowly. And even when you're flipping them, hey, you're just going to flip them slowly. So we are going to let them cook for a few minutes and then we will flip. So let's start with the first one. Yes, so. This is good. Boom! Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. This is what I've learned about this particular recipe. You need to look at the edges, Here. You wait for them to settle a bit. Because once you start flipping it when it's not cooked well underneath, everything will just spread on your pan. Look at that. What a smooth flip. So for our sauce, I'll add some monk fruit sweetener. I've added, where am I pouring? I've added 2 teaspoons. I hope this will be okay. This is what I was talking about earlier. The edges, you see that they have settled, as you can see here. Yes, now that's an indication that you can flip without any issues. It's okay. Good. Our pancakes are ready. They look so nice. So guys, our pancakes are ready and we are ready to indulge and enjoy with some raspberry sauce on top. Guys, as you've seen, we've not used milk. These pancakes are flawless, they are gluten-free, they are gluten-free. So if that's the kind of a pancake recipe you're looking for, this is it. This is it. If you don't want to use flour in your pancakes, try out these green plantain pancakes. As you've seen, I've made around 6 and a small pancake, so I think these are enough for 2 for breakfast. I don't know, depends with you, but you can double the size, you can double the ingredients. My plantain was a big one, like I showed you, it was a big one, so I think that also contributed to the number of pancakes that I had. But the recipe is very specific. The recipe says that you need to use a big plantain, so if you find a small plantain, you can use 2, but feel free to adjust and enjoy this recipe. Wow guys, nafsi yangu ya kutukuza Yesu.